5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. So what is the correct value for this expression? So first we will see the incorrect solution for this expression. Incorrect solution. So 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. So here 5 divided by 5, which is 1, divided by here 5 divided by 5, 1. So 1 divided by 1. This is the incorrect solution. Now let's see the correct solution for this expression. Write the question once again. Now here you know the order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule. P parenthesis, E exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You have to remember multiplication, division both have equal priorities. Therefore, we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So here only division is there. So more than one division is there. So we go from left to right. So first we will solve this one. So 5 divided by 5, 1. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Now we can write 1 divided by 5 in this fraction, then divide by 5. Now here you know the KCF rule. KCF. K means keep, C stands for change, F flip. So keep this fraction as it is, change this sign into multiplication and flip this one. So 1 by 5. So 1, 5 is 25. 1 by 25 is the correct value for this expression.